In this problem, it is given that is the hydrogen atom and electron is revolving this time in such a way that they produce the energy. You know that when electron produce the energy with the first orbit, you know that, and we all know that this is the energy in the form of the photon. You can see that, and when the charge is moving and produce the energy 100%, the emitted the electromagnetic waves. ये electromagnetic waves generate करेगा, and you can see that is a geometry of electromagnetic waves when the electron is moving around this orbit. So according to question, we have to calculate, we have to find the frequency of this electromagnetic waves which produced by this electron when it is revolving and produce the energy also. My dear student, remember one thing always, when electron emit the energy, that time it will produce the electromagnetic wave, otherwise it will not produce. If it is given that it is produce the energy, so 100% it is to produce the electromagnetic wave. So we have to find the frequency of this electromagnetic wave. So we will use the very simple formula, speed equals to distance upon time of the electron. So the electron velocity is, we consider v, distance is 2 pi r, and that is the time period, and you know that 1 upon t is a frequency, so 2 pi r, and this is the frequency. So we have to find this frequency, the 2 v equals to divided by 2 pi r. So you know that इसका जो हम वेलोसिटी फाइंड करेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन का, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन का वेलोसिटी और उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी ही इस फ्रीक्वेंसी के क्या होगा, इक्वल होगा. जितना तेज़ी से ये फ्रीक्वेंट करेगा उतने तेज़ी से ही क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स प्रोड्यूस होगा. सो इसका जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है हम यहाँ पे देखिए उसको रिटर्न करते हैं. So it is very important note I am writing over here. The frequency of the electromagnetic wave emitted by the revolving electron is equals to the frequency of electron revolving in this orbit. So देखिए हम जो फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड करेंगे, सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी इक्वल्स टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव. अब वी नीड अ वेलोसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्विंग इन द फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट, एंड वी हैव द रेडियस of value of radius in the first orbit. So you know that we will write the value of radius and the velocity, ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. So my dear student, this is the first initial radius of the hydrogen atom revolve in the first orbit. This is the 0.53 angstrom. Velocity of electron in the first orbit 2.2 into 10 to the power 6. This value will substitute here and we will find the frequency of electromagnetic wave, frequency of this electron. So after putting the value in this formula, so you can see that this is the value of velocity by 22 by 7, it will be cancelled. You take the 10 divide में, and we calculate this value. So the frequency of electromagnetic wave will be 6.6 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. So electron frequency and the electromagnetic wave frequency both will be equal. So you can see that this is the frequency of electromagnetic wave which is produced by the electron when emit the energy, and that means it will produce the electromagnetic wave also.